Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Varma, and today I am going to discuss exercise 8.6 NCERT, and this is our part 6 of decimals. Clear, student? So now let's start. In exercise 8.6, the first question is given. Question number 1 is given subtract. You know that simply subtraction. You know that this is based on same pattern, but only here you have to place decimal, and this is also equal to the addition. So what is given? 18.25 from 20.75. Clear, student? This is our first question. So student, subtraction is nothing, only here decimal is given. So only what you have to do, subtract you have to do rupees 18.25 from 20.75. Clear, student? So always remember you have to write down this number first, where from is written na, so from means you have to subtract 18.25 from 20.75. Many times many students do this wrong. How? They write 18.25 first and 20.75 second. Use your common sense, student. Which one is greater? You can say, sir, 20.75 is greater, so this will be subtracted from 20.75. Yani 18.25 will be subtracted from 20.75. Clear? So write down 20.75 and 18.25. So we have to subtract them. So do subtraction. Ab 7 minus 5, 5 minus 5, you know that 0. 7 minus 2, 5. And decimal you will place on the same place. Where 0 is given and 8 is given. So you will take one carry. So it will become what? 10. 10 minus 8, it will become 2. And 1 minus 1, it will become 0. The answer is what? 2.05. Clear, student? Now take another example based on same pattern. Given D question. 2.051 kilometer from 5.206 kilometer. Clear, student? So same pattern you will follow. What you will do? First you will write down this number, which one is greater. So 5.206 and 2.051. Clear, student? Now subtract this. 6 minus 5, 6 minus 1, 5, 0 and 5 is given. So you cannot subtract. So you will take one carry. So here you will take one carry, so it will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Now here you take one carry. So 2 minus 1, it remains 1. So write down 1 minus 0, 1. Decimal. फिर 5 minus 2, 3. Clear, student? This is based on simply subtraction. Only you have to put decimal where it is given. Clear, student? Now, next question is given. Find the value. This is also same. Find the value. So A question is given. 9.756 minus 6.28. Clear, student? So what you will do? Same you will follow. 9.756 and what is given? 6.28. Clear, student? Nothing is nothing is given. So what I explain, you have to convert in like decimal. So after decimal 3 digit na, here after decimal only 2 digit. So you can increase 1 0. Now this will become 6 minus 0, 6. 5 minus 8, you cannot subtract. So what you will take? You will take one carry. So it will become 15. 15 minus 8, it will become 7. Clear? Now here one carry you taken out. So 7. 1 carry out, so it will become 6. So 6 minus 2, it will become 4. With decimal, 9 minus 6 become 3. So this is your answer. Clear, students? Now come to the next question. Clear, student? Next question is given what? Next question number 5. Come on, question number 5. See, student, question number 5 in your book, what is given? Question number 5 is given. Tina had 20 meter 5 centimeter long cloth. So 20 meter 5 centimeter long cloth. Clear, student? Now what is given? She cut 4 meter 50 centimeter length. She cut 4 meter and 50 centimeter length. Clear student? Cut 4 meter 50 meter length. What is given? How much cloth is left with her? So cloth is left with her. Clear student? How much cloth left with her? So what you will do, student? You will do the subtraction. Clear students? Okay student. So how you will solve question, student? What is given in the question? 20 meter 5 centimeter is the total length of the cloth, and she cut 4 meter 50 centimeter length. A cloth is left with her. You have to find out. So how you will find out? You will say, sir, subtractly I have to subtract. So write down 20 meter 5 centimeter. Clear? And here what is given? 4 meter 50 centimeter. Now, you will say how. I want to ask how you will subtract, student, because this is the main concept. How you will subtract? Student, here you can see 5 centimeter is given. Clear? And here 50 centimeter is given. Clear? So you cannot subtract because this is 5 centimeter smaller and this is 50 centimeter, matlab larger. So what you will do? Student, you will not take one carry. Matlab if you will take one carry, okay. If you will take one carry, so you will take one carry. So one carry if you will take, so it will not become 15. Clear? Don't do this mistake. Here centimeter is given. So if you will take one carry, yani you know that 1 meter equal to what? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. In previously I explained this. So if you will take one carry, so here you will take one carry, so it will become 5 centimeter, or 100 you will 100 centimeter you take carry, because here 1 meter you take carry, na? You are taking 1 meter carry. So 1 meter equal to what? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter you take carry, and 5 centimeter also given. So this will become what? This will become 105 centimeter. Clear student? Now when 105 centimeter is given and 50 centimeter is given, when you will subtract, you will get what? You will get 55 centimeter. So this is the right process. Again I am going to repeat, student. See carefully. 5 centimeter is given now. So you will not subtract because this is greater. So you will take one carry. If you will take one carry, so you will take 1 meter carry. 1 meter equal to what? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Clear? So 100 centimeter you are taking carry, and 5 centimeter is given. So 100 plus 5, 105 it will become. So now it will become 105 to 105 and 50. Here I explain. It will become what? It will become 55. Clear student? And this will become what? This will become 19, because you take one carry, to 90 minus 4 it will become 15. So 15 meter and 50 centimeter. Clear student? This is the correct process. Okay student? Now come to the next question. So student, our next question is question number 7. Clear student? This is question number 7. Now what is given? See, it is given Akash bought vegetables. Akash bought vegetables. Clear student? Akash bought vegetables. You can see the question in the book. Weighing 10 kilogram. Clear student? So Akash, a boy who bought a vegetable whose weight is 10 kilogram. Clear student? Now what next is given? So Akash bought vegetable weighing 10 kilogram. Okay student? Out of this 3 kilogram 500 gram is onion. Clear student? 3 kilogram 500 gram is onion. फिर 2 kilogram 75 gram is tomatoes. Clear student? Tomatoes, and rest is potatoes. Clear students? So you have to find what is the is the weight of potatoes. Clear, students? Now come to the solution. How? What is given? Akash bought vegetable weighing 10 kilogram. मतलब total weight of the vegetable 10 kilogram. Out of this 3 kilogram 500 gram is onion and 2 kilogram 75 gram is tomato. Clear, student? So what is given? First you will write down total weight. Clear, student? First you will write down total weight. अब total weight is what? Total weight is 10 kilogram. So write down 10 kilogram. What is given? 3 kilogram potato. Sorry, 3 kilogram 500 gram is onion. So you will write down weight of onion plus weight of what? Weight of tomatoes. Clear, student? So what is given? It is equal to weight of onion is what? Weight of onion is 2 kilogram and 3 kilogram and 500 gram. Clear? And weight of tomatoes is 2 kilogram 75 gram. Clear, student? Now you have to add it. Now. So how you will add it, students? Now come to the addition, student. How you will add? Acha, here what is given? 3 kilogram 500 gram and here it is given 2 kilogram 75 gram. Clear, student? So now what it will become? 575 is given, a student. So when you will add 575, it will become what? It will become 575 gram. अब 3 plus 2, it will become 5 kilogram. Clear? Yani weight of the onion and weight of the tomato is equal to 5 kilogram and 575 gram. Clear, student? What next you will do? What is given? What is the weight of potatoes? Clear, student? So if you know that total weight is 10 kilogram and weight of the onion and weight of the tomatoes is 5 kilogram 575. So what left? If you will subtract both of them, so weight of the potato will come. So write down weight of the potatoes. Clear, student? A weight of the potatoes, how you will find out? You will write down 10 kilogram and no gram is given, so you can write down 0 gram. No gram is given, you can write down 0 gram. Clear? Because no gram is given. And 5 kilogram and 575 gram. Clear, student? अब you have to subtract. अब now how you will subtract, student? You know that if 1 kilogram you will take carry because all are 0 given. अब you know that 1 kilogram equal to what? 1000 gram. Clear? See carefully, 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Clear? So now here it will become 1000. So write down 1000 gram and 575 gram. So when you will subtract 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. Clear? So you will write down same. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. This is your gram. I clear ki how it is coming 425 because you know that all are 0 gram. So when you will take carry, so 1 kilogram you will take carry. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So you will subtract. Clear, student? Now what is given? 1 carry you are taking. Clear, student? So 9 minus 5. 9 minus 4. It will become what? It will become 4 kilogram. Clear, student? So this is your correct answer. 4 kilogram 425 gram. This is the weight of potato. Clear, students? Now student, come to the RS Agrawal exercise 7A because this is also decimal. So we have to also perform some question because all are based on same pattern. Clear, student? So one question I will explain. So question number 1 is given. Write in decimal. What is given? It is given 58.63. Clear, student? 58.63. So how you will write down, student? I explain in NCERT 58 to 58. Point you will write down 63 is given na. तो 6 3 दिस इज योर आंसर बिकॉज आई एक्सप्लेन इन डेसिमल. क्लियर स्टूडेंट. नाउ अब what is given, second question is given, write the place value of each digit in each of the following decimal. अब you have to write down what, place value. Clear student, you have to write down place value of what is given. Question number second, write down, let us, because I explained in NCERT everything. So 275.269. Clear student. अब you know that place value how to write down. This is your what? This is your ones. Clear? This is your what? Tens. This is your what? Thousands. Clear student? This too you know. अब now after decimal the first digit is known as what? The first digit is your known as tens. T and THS. Clear? Now second digit is known as what? This is hundredths. HUNDREDTH. Clear? And this is known as what? This is known as thousands. Clear student? Because I explained in NCERT everything. So here you can write down directly the place value of the numbers. Clear student? अब now next is given question number 3. It is given, write each of the following decimal in expanded form. Clear? What is given? Write in expanded form. Clear student? तो expanded form is how to write down. जैसे question number 1, 67.83. It is given. Clear student? Up 67.83, you know that how you will write down, student? You know that this is on ones place. So you will write down 7 multiplied by 1 plus. This is on tens place. You will write down 6 multiplied by 10. Very easy. Plus. Now you know that after decimal the first digit is what? 10th. So what you will do? 8 multiplied by 1 upon 10, because I explained in previous video 10th means multiply by 1 by 10. Now this is after decimal second number, so you will write down 3 multiplied by 1 upon what? Hundredth, because after decimal second place is known as hundredths. Clear? Now it will become what? It will become 60 plus 7 plus 8 upon 10 plus 3 upon 100. Is that clear, student? So this is your solution. Clear? Now come to the question number 4. Write in decimal form. Write in decimal form. Clear, student? Up same question is given, 40 plus 6 plus 7 by 10 plus 9 by 100. Simply you know how to solve this, student. I explain everything. 40 write down same, plus 6 you will write down same, plus 10 yani after decimal there should be only one digit. So it will become 0.7. I explain. 9 upon 100 means after decimal there will be 2 digit. So 19 is given, 10 you will place extra, and this is decimal. So this is your, now add it, this will become 40.0 you can write down, 6.0 you can write down, 0.7 you can write down, 0.09 you can write down. So add this will become 7.9 point what? 0.46. Clear? So this is your solution. Clear, student? Now come to the next question. Now student, come to the question number 6. Question number 6 is, question number 5. This is question number 5. It is given, convert into like decimal. Now I explain how to convert in like decimal. Now let us apply. Convert into like decimals. Clear, student? So question number 1 I am going to explain. What is given? 7.5, 64.23 and 0.074. Clear, student? Now like decimal, it means after decimal in every number there should be same number of digits. It means here you can see after decimal only 1 digit, after decimal 2 digit, after decimal 3 digit. So for like decimal what you have to do? You have to see after decimal which number having the maximum digits. So you can see after decimal 1, after decimal 2, after decimal 3. It means here after decimal 3 digits, yani in every number there should be 3 digits after decimal. If no is given, if 3 digits, not 3 digits are given after decimal, so what you will do, you will increase zeros. So here what you can write down, here you can write down 7.5, and after decimal there should be 3 digits, only one is given, so 20 is required, so you will place 20. Here after decimal 2 digits are given and there should be 3 digits because maximum is 3 digits, so what you will do, you will increase 10. Clear? And here after decimal is 0.074 is given. This is your correct format. Let us come second example. Second is given like 0.6, 5.937, 2.36, 4.2. Clear, students? So now in this question, here you can see after decimal is 3 digit, which is maximum. So same pattern you will follow. You will write down 0.6. After decimal 1 digit, so 20 you will increase. Here 5. Here 5.937. Here 2.36. So after decimal there should be what? 3 digit. So 10 you will increase. Here after decimal only 1 digit. So 20 you will increase. Clear, student? So by this you can do in like decimal. Clear, student? Now come to the exercise 7.2 because all are question easy. Okay, now 7.2 it is given. You have to convert in simplest form. Now in this question what you have to do? Convert into a fraction in its simplest form. Clear, student? So now come to the question what is given, like seventh question. What is given? 0.125. Now you have to convert in to fraction and in simplest form. So first convert in fraction. You know that it is, you can write down 125 of what I explained, student. After decimal you have to see how many digits are given. So you can see after decimal 3 digits are given. So what you will do here, 30 you will increase. Simply I explain. After the decimal 1 digits are given. If after decimal 1 digit is given, it means you will increase 10. 2 digits 20, and 3 digits, it means you will increase 30. So now you have to convert in simplest form. What is simplest form, student? It means you have to reduce it. You have to reduce it. Clear? How to reduce, student? So see carefully. When you are going to reduce, you have to select the one number by which you can divide the both number. Clear, student? What you have to do? You have to select a number by which you can divide both numerator and denominator. Now search the number. Use your brain. How you can do this? Clear, student? So now you can take a number. It is not divisible by 2. You can see. So always select the number which divide both numbers. So you can take 5. You will take 5. So you can do 5 2 ja 10. 2 carry remains. 5 5 ja 25. Now 5 2 ja 10. फिर 0 0. Clear? Again you can divide by 5. 5 5 ja 25. फिर 5 4 ja 20. 0. Again you can divide it by 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 8 ja 40. Clear, student? So this is your simplest form. Okay, student? Now take us another example. Like it is given 0.15. Clear? You can write down 15 upon what? After decimal how many digits are given? 2. So you can say, sir, I can write down what? 100. Yani 20. Reduce it. You can reduce it. 5 3 ja 15. 5 2 ja 10. 0. Can you further reduce it, student? You can say no, sir, because 3 and 20 is given. No a single number that divide both. 1 is given. So 1 to when you will divide 1, the same answer will come. Clear? Now come to the second question. Now what is given second question, student? Convert each of the following as mixed fraction. Yani convert in mixed fraction. Clear student? What is this now? Let us take example given 8.36. Okay student, अब you know that कि 8 तो will write down same. Clear? अब 0.36 given ना, 0.36 it means what you will do, you will write down plus, write down 36. Clear? अब after decimal what is given? After decimal 2 digits are given. Clear student? You will write down what? You will write down 100. Okay student? अच्छा, don't use this plus sign. Don't use this plus sign. What I explained, 8 you will write down simply. तो 8 you will write down simply and 36 is given. So after decimal 2 digits you will write down simply 36 upon 100. Now what you can do student, you have to reduce this one. So if you are going to reduce, first reduce it by 2. So 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16, फिर 2 5 is 10, 0. Again you can reduce, it will come 2 9 is 18, 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10. So our final answer is what? 8 whole 9 upon 25. So our final answer is 8 whole 9 upon 25. Clear student? This is the easiest way. Now again I am going to explain one another question, like given 25.06. Okay, so now move to the question. 25 you will write down same, write down 6, write down. Acha, after decimal there is how many digits? 2. So write down 6 upon what? 6 upon 100. Similarly, अब reduce it, it will come 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10, 0. Can you student further reduce? Because 3 and 50 is given, so you will say sir I cannot reduce. So write down 25 whole 3 upon 50. Clear student? So by this we will write down in mixed fraction. Clear student? So I think this is clear. Now you are able to solve the question based on this. Clear student? Now move to the next question. Now student, our next question is convert in decimal. Convert in decimal. Clear student? So what is given? Question is given, question number like 18. Take out question number 18. What is given? 167.100. So this is very easy question. You know that how to convert. First write down 167 up 20 means I explain by division method, and if you want to know answer without division, so what you will do, 20 is given, yani after decimal there should be two digits, because 20, so here you will put decimal and you can check after decimal there is 2 digit. I explained by the division method, but direct you can do like this. So this is 1.67. Now come to the next question, like 24. What is given? 1 whole 4 upon 25. Now how to convert this student? Because this is given 1 whole 4 upon 25. Okay, so now let us check. You can write down this one same as, there is no need of doing anything, plus write down 4 upon 25. Okay, now you have to convert this 4 upon 25 into decimal. Clear? So what you will write down, I explain कि if anything is given, to try to make denominator 100 in the form of 10, 100, 1000. Clear? So here you can say if you will multiply by 4, so this will become 100. Clear? Now you have to think. Now again you have to multiply by 4, because I explained if you will multiply any number with the denominator, then also you have to multiply by the numerator. So now you can say this will become 1 to same, plus 4 4 ja 16, 25 4 ja 100. Clear student? Okay. Now what you have to do? Now student, this has become very easy. Now you know that you can write down 1 same as up 16 upon 100. So you can convert easily by in decimal. How? 16 you will write down same. After decimal there should be what? There should be 2 digit, and here you can say 2 digit. So decimal you will put here. So clear? It will become 1.16. Clear student? I think this is clear. Very easy question. Now you are able to solve. Clear student? So now this is our question. Clear student? Now come to the next question. Question number 33. What is given this one? This is given using decimal express. Using decimal express. Clear student? What is given? First 8 kilogram 640 gram in kilogram, yani you have to convert in the kilogram. अब 8 kilogram तो same you will write down, there is no need of doing anything, write down, plus 640 gram you have to convert in kilogram. So what I explained student, 1 kilogram equal to what, 1000 gram. I explained na in many videos. So now come to the point, 640 gram yani 1 upon 1000 gram you will multiply, because 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram, so 1 gram equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Clear? So now same process we will apply. This will become 8 kilogram plus 640 upon 1000 gram. Clear? 8 kilogram same we will write down, 640 upon 1000. So how we will solve, student? I explained. After 30 yani after decimal there should be 30. So write down 640 and decimal you will put here. After decimal you can check 3 digits, so it is correct, and 0, and this will become kilogram. Clear? Acha, here I am doing direct because I explained in division method. So always you are not able to do the division because it will take so much time. So I think you are understand how to solve this. After 30 yani after decimal there should be 3 digits, so it will become 8.640 kilogram. Clear, student? So this is for this video. So in next video we will discuss the next question which is left in R.S. Agrawal. Only 2 exercises in left in R.S. Agrawal. After this we will start new chapter. Clear, student? So try to solve this question, and doubt you can ask on group. Thank you, students.